Hi, I'm Andrea, and today on By Andrea Jensen we're going to prepare a Flemish stew. And I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. Cut 1.5 pounds, 750 grams chuck roast in cubes of about 1 by 1 inch, 2 by 2 centimeters. Melt half a stick of butter, about 50 grams, in a pan and add the finely sliced onions. Bake them for 3 minutes. And fry the meat until it's brown on all sides. Remove the meat with a slotted spoon from the pan. Pour the beer into the pan and use a wooden spatula to loosen the baked on ingredients. You can prepare this recipe in an oven dish or in a slow cooker. And today I chose a slow cooker. And why? Because it's just so easy to use. You put all the ingredients in the pot, turn it on, go doing something for a few hours, come back and your dish is ready. And nothing is burnt, so the dishes are really easy afterwards. But if you don't have a slow cooker, or if you want to prepare this in the oven, you take an oven dish with a lid, put all the ingredients in and put it in the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees Celsius for about 3 hours. Take the casserole out of the oven, give it a good stir and put it back without a lid for another hour in the oven. Then the sauce will thicken slightly. But now we're going to put everything into the slow cooker. First put the onions and then the meat in the slow cooker or in your oven dish. Now put the beer in the slow cooker. Also add the cloves, vinegar and apple butter. Place the bay leaves and the thyme leaves on the stew. Smear 2 slices of bread with mustard and place them upside down on the stew. And then put the lid on the slow cooker and cook on the low setting for about 6 to 8 hours. And the meat has now been a couple of hours in the slow cooker and it's time to taste it. So delicious. The meat is quite tender, a slight hint of beer, but quite sweet, and the sauce coats the meat. I'm going to serve this tonight just like the Flemish, with fries and a green salad. This recipe is enough for 4 adults, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the calculations for you. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. Bedankt voor het kijken naar deze video. Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!